The future of work is automated. Welcome to Aivora.
Here's the thing about your Mac's future with Java. Oracle just dropped a bombshell. Starting with JDK 27, they're killing the macOS x64 port. The port that's powered Java on Intel Macs since 2012. Gone. But here's the thing nobody tells you. This isn't just about old hardware. It's Oracle quietly forcing every Java developer, from Minecraft modders to enterprise teams, onto Apple Silicon. Whether you're ready or not. Which means if you're still on an Intel Mac, even a 2020 iMac Pro, you'll be frozen at JDK 26. No future updates. No security patches. Your Java development career just hit a hard deadline. So how did we get here? Rewind to 2012. Apple stopped maintaining their own Java runtime. Oracle stepped in with a macOS x64 port. It was the fix nobody asked for but everyone needed. Until now. But Apple's M1 chip in 2020 changed everything. Apple Silicon was faster, more efficient, and Oracle quickly shipped an ARM64 build. The x64 port became a legacy crutch. And legacy crutches don't last forever. Here's what I found digging through Oracle's engineering blogs. Maintaining a separate x64 port for macOS costs significant resources, testing, CI pipelines, bug fixes. Resources they'd rather spend on new features like virtual threads. So how many people does this actually affect? Stack Overflow's 2024 survey shows about 18% of Java developers still use Intel Macs. That's hundreds of thousands of devs. But Oracle is betting that number plummets each year. But wait, JDK 27 isn't even released yet. It's due in September 2026. That means you have about 18 months to migrate your workflow. Or find an alternative. The clock is ticking. There's a secret most devs don't know. Oracle isn't the only game in town. Projects like Adoptium, Azul Zulu, and GraalVM can continue building x64 builds. They're not bound by Oracle's roadmap. So maybe this isn't the end. Here's a twist. Oracle has been pushing everyone to its paid licensing model. Dropping x64 support could be a nudge, upgrade your hardware and buy a license. But free OpenJDK builds from other vendors don't charge a dime. So honestly, maybe this was inevitable. Apple stopped selling Intel Macs in 2023. The last Intel Mac Studio was a niche product. Developers hold on to old hardware, but the industry moved on. Oracle is just the final domino. If you're finding this useful, hit like so YouTube shows this to more people. Honestly, most Java devs didn't see this coming. But now that you know, you can plan ahead. Drop a like if this surprised you. But here's who this really hurts. Minecraft modders. Thousands of kids and hobbyists on older Intel MacBooks. They rely on Java for modpacks. JDK 26 will work for years, but eventually mods will require newer Java. Then what? So enterprise teams face a harder problem. Many companies still standardize on Intel Macs for their developers. IT departments hate forced upgrades. Now Oracle forces a hardware upgrade plus a potential license change. Good luck selling that to finance. There's a workaround nobody tells you about. Docker. You can run x64 Java inside a container with emulation. QEMU can emulate Intel on Apple Silicon. It's slower, but it buys time. For dev environments, not production. But here's my real advice. If you're on an Intel Mac, don't panic. Stick with JDK 21 LTS, it's supported until 2028. By then you'll likely have upgraded hardware. Or maybe Apple releases another chip. One bridge at a time. So the truth is, if you switch to an M2 or M3 Mac, Java runs faster. Native ARM64 builds show 20 to 30% performance gains over Intel via Rosetta. Oracle is actually doing you a favor. It just stings right now. If you're building software with Java, hit subscribe. I break down the biggest changes in the Java ecosystem every week. Oracle's roadmap, open JDK drama, performance tricks, so you never get caught off guard again. But what comes next? JDK 28 is already in development. Project Valhalla brings value types, which could revolutionize memory performance. And Project Amber keeps adding language niceties. The future of Java is on ARM, and it's fast. Next up, Oracle just changed its licensing terms again. They're making Java more expensive for large enterprises. We'll look at the real cost of staying with Oracle versus switching to free OpenJDK builds. Subscribe so you don't miss it.